Hi, second grade. Okay, we are going to do lesson 6.2. Okay, and this is use models to subtract a one-digit number from a two-digit number. This is very similar to yesterday's lesson. Okay, so it says make a quick sketch to find 41 minus 3. So I'm actually going to use my whiteboard here in the back. So here's my whiteboard, and here's my equation. 41 minus 3, right? Okay, so I'm going to, these are my tens, right? So I have 10, 20, 30, 41, right? That's my 41. Now I'm going to subtract 3. So if I take 3 away, I can't really take 3 away. I can only take this 1 away. So I'm going to regroup. I'm going to take one of these tens, bring it over here. But again, this can't stay over here because remember, these are ones. So this needs to be 10 ones. So I'm going to put that away and bring over 10 ones. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, right? Okay, so now I still have, this is 41. Now subtract 3, right? So I can take 1, 2, 3 away. So now I have 30. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 30 and 8 is 38. Right? So we'll go back to here. So 41 minus 3. I'm just going to kind of draw it. I just did it. That's my tens. That's my ones. So I had 1, 2, 3, 41. But I had to take one of these over here. Goodbye. And then I replaced it with 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? So now I can subtract 3 much easier. 1, 2, 3. So I'm left with 30. Oops. 30, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Right? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's what I thought. You gotta double check it, right? 38. And let's just make sure, right? 38. 38. Perfect. So my 41 minus 3 is 38. Okay, and then at the bottom, it's asking me a question. It says, how do you regroup 4 tens and 1 to subtract the 3? So what did I do? I took my 10 and I made it into ones, right? So I don't have to write that down. But how did I regroup it? Well, I took one of them and brought it over to the ones place, right? Okay, let's go on and do another one. All right, so let's look at their example and then I will explain. Okay, so here's their example. It says 23 minus 5 equals what? Okay, so it says model the number 23 right there. So they have 20 and then they showed 3. So right there is just without looking at that. 23, right? Okay. There are not enough ones to subtract 5, right? You can't take 5 from that. So regroup 110 as 10 ones. So they took this 10 and they brought it over here. I'm going to take one more step. I'm going to just cross that out because it's not really there anymore, right? Okay. So now they have their 1 in the tens and they took away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So they have 8 ones and of course 1 1. So let's circle that 1 and 8. So they have 1 and 8. Now the interesting thing about this is because they took 1 from this side, they crossed that out and now they have 1. This side they took away the 3, that there's not 3 anymore. That's why there's not 3. But they have 13 over there now. So that's why they have the 13 there. So they have 13 subtract 5 would be 8. And now there's 1 on this side. 1 subtract, well, nothing is 1. So today is very similar up here. This is the new part. This one is a little more tricky today. This is our new part today. So this is what we are going to be doing today that is new. Okay, this is from yesterday. This is the new part. Okay, this part probably doesn't make sense still, but let's just go ahead and try one together. Okay, so we have 31 minus 4 equals what? I'm going to go back on my board so we can demonstrate. 31 minus 4, right? Okay, so let's write this one down. 31 minus 4. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of these. Okay, so show me 31. 10, 20, 30. 1. So that's 31, right? 31 minus 4. Okay, well, can I take away 4? No, but I could take this and move it over here, and this should show 10, right? So let's get rid of this and go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, now I can subtract 4 much easier. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now I have 2 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 27. Okay, so if I'm going to go back to the actual problem, let's go back to the problem. Okay, so hopefully this part makes sense. Okay, because this is like yesterday. All right, now here's the next part. Because remember, this is our new part today. This is going to be a little different. So let's just kind of draw what we just did. So my 30, 30, and then 1, right? I took this and I brought it over here. So I'm going to cross that out. And I did my 10s, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now I can subtract 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is the new part. So in the tens place, do I have 3? Do I have 3? No. I have how many in the tens? I just have 2, right? Now, do I have 1 like I did before? Do I just have 1 over here? No, I don't just have 1 anymore. I don't. Okay, did I subtract 4? Yes, I did. But from what? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is where it gets confusing. All of these over here, even though I subtracted some, how many are on the side? Okay, there's 11. Okay, so I'm going to put 11 up there. Okay, because how many 1s are over here? 11. So 11 subtract 4. Okay, and I already did that. This is 11. I took 4 away. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 1s left. And over here, how many 10s do I have left? Just those 2, right? 2 subtract nothing is 2. 27 is my answer. Let's just go back and make sure. Okay, 27. 27. Okay. All right, let's do another one. These are a little tricky. Okay, let's do this one. 72 minus 5 equals what? Okay, so I'm going to stop there and I'm going to go back to my board here. 72 minus 5. 72 minus 5 equals what? Okay. All right, so now I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and then 71, 72. Okay, so I have 72, take away 5. All right, so I can't take away 5, but I can take away 2. So I need to be able to take away 5. So I'm going to take one of these, boop, and bring it over here, okay? This has to be ones, so I'm going to take it away. I need to replace that with ones, 10 of them, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, so now I can take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm left with 2, 3, 6 or 60 something, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So I should end up with 67. Okay, remember this is yesterday's part. Let's go over here to the part that we're going to be doing today. All right, so 72 minus 5. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll go 7. Okay, and then 2, right? 72, because I'm showing that number. Okay, can't take away 5, so I'm going to take one of these, bring it over. I'm going to cross it out. Goodbye. And I'm going to replace it with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I'm going to just stop there. On the tens side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 now. I don't have 7, I have 6. On the one side, how many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I don't have 2 anymore. I don't have 2, I have 12. I have 12 now. Now go 12, subtract 5. Or I can just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 left, right? I have 7 ones left. Okay? And then over here for the tens, I have 6, take away nothing. So I have 6. 67 is my answer. 67. Let's just check my answer back here. 67. Good. All right. The next one is 88 subtract 9. Okay. So let's go ahead. 88 subtract 9. I'm going to try to do it just on here. Okay. So let's go 80. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And then I need my ones. 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now subtract 9. Well, I can't subtract 9, right? Because there's only 8. So let's take one of these 10s, bring it over, and get rid of that. Okay, and now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so stop there. How many 10s do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do I have 8? No. I just counted. I have 7. How many ones do I have? Do I have 8 ones now? No, I've got lots of ones. So I know I don't have 8. How many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I have 18 ones. So I have 7 10s. And I have 18 ones right there. 18 subtract 9. So I'm just going to show it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 left. So I have 9 ones. Now for the 10s, I have 7, take away nothing. 7. 79. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and see if you can do number 4. See if you can do number 4 by yourself, and I will do it silently. Okay, so 63 subtract 2. 63, so show me 60 and then 3. Okay, I'll do it with you, but I won't talk. Okay, so hopefully this one is a little easier, because look at, we had 63, and it said just take away 2, and you could really fast, right? So you didn't have to do any bringing over, right, regrouping like you did up here. You just simply crossed out 2, okay? 3, right, like that, and you take away 2, you get 1. 6, take away nothing, you have 6. So you have 61 is your answer, 61. Okay, let's do number 5. And again, I'll do this without talking. So 90 minus 8. So show me 90. So 90, and then there's no ones. Okay, this one was a little trickier. All right, so let's go over this one. This is 90 minus 8. So you should have shown me 90, and then there would have been 0 over there. And then so you had to bring this 10 over here to make the 1. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 you added. Okay, and then you could subtract your 8. So I went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so on this side I had 8 left, right? So that's why I have my 8. 8 minus nothing is 8. And then over here I added 10, so that's why I have my 10. And then I didn't have 0 anymore, that's why I have 10. 10 take away 8, which is why I crossed out 8. Okay, 10 take away 8, I had 2 left, so I have 82 is my answer. 82, right there, 82. Okay, all right, so your homework is just like yesterday, but we're adding this different step here, okay? All right, you can come back to this page if you need to so that you can help with your homework. All right, good job.